welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having an awesome Tuesday. Before I get into the design, I do want to thank you guys so much for 400 subscribers. Being on YouTube or even starting YouTube wasn't the easiest thing. Being on social media could be kind of intimidating, especially when you're showing your work. So I do want to thank you guys so much for the support and all the kind words. Every subscriber that I have on here has been so nice to me, and I'm truly grateful for all your kind words. Alright, so as you can see, I am going to be using my silicone practice hand from Red Iguana today. I already glued on the tips, and the tips that I use are from a cart. And as always, I will leave the link in the description box below. And so today's design, it is going to be inspired by the 4th of July holiday, which is right around the corner. And this is the design that I'm going to be doing today. Alright, so this is a little freestyle that I did, and all the glitters that I used to create this set are from Pearl Glitter Shop, and you can follow them on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below. All my glitters, or most of my glitters, I got them from them. As you can see here, I'll be using this holographic one, the blue and the red one, to complete this design. And this freestyle, how it came about is, and I'm excited to announce that this is my first collaboration. This video collaboration is with Karla Elegance Nails. I will leave her link to her YouTube channel in my description box. Go check out her designs. Are absolutely amazing. I think she is very talented, and she's so sweet and supportive. So if you guys can go and check out her channel, that'll be truly amazing. Karla is one of the many YouTubers here that I've befriended. I have so many YouTuber friends that are so sweet and very supportive and always commenting on my videos. And so she is one of them. I also have many others that are also been supportive, and I hope to one day also collab with them. I'm all about supporting each other, and I'm always willing to help any way that I can. So the glitters that I'm using, this blue one that I'm starting off with is called True Blue number 764 is what it says on the bottom of the container. And so what I'm doing here with this ring finger, I'm pretty much going to go blue, white, and red for, of course, the flag colors. And what I did is I'm going to grab some of the clear acrylic, and then I am going to dip the clear acrylic into the glitter and then just place it on the nail. Make sure to pat it down to keep it as thin as possible, because I am going to be encapsulating all the nails after I'm done applying the glitter colors. Alright, so now that I'm done applying the blue, I'm going to apply this. It looks holographic, but it's actually called Platinum number 501, and it's also from Pearl Glitter Shop. And I'm going to be doing the same thing as I did with the blue one, just grabbing my clear acrylic bead and dipping it into the platinum color and applying it onto the nail. And I did want to mention, in case you guys wanted to know, I am using the monomer from Mia's Secret, and I am using my Young Nails Artistic Sculptor brush. I've been using it a lot lately. I haven't really picked up my Panna in a while, which I still love actually. But this one is, I work a lot better with this one since it's a smaller brush size. Alright, so now that I'm done applying the platinum one, we are moving on to the red color. And the red glitter is called the Fire Truck number 791. And I absolutely love these glitters. They're awesome to work with, and I think they come at a very good price. So definitely go check them out on Instagram, guys. All right, so I am done with the ring finger. Now we're moving on to the middle finger. The middle finger is going to be all blue, and I'm using the True Blue glitter. And just when you apply the glitter, again, you want to make sure that you pat it down so it can be very thin. You don't want to thicken it up with the glitter because you are going to come back and encapsulate it with the clear powder. That's when you'll create the thickness of your nail and your apex. Also, when you apply the glitter, make sure you pat in the sides and swipe down your sidewalls just to, again, maintain the shape of the nail as much as possible. All right, so I'm done with the middle finger. We're moving on to the index finger, and this is the glitter that I'm going to be using, which doesn't have a name, and it's just little holographic stars. And this is, I'm going to apply this to the whole nail. All right, guys, moving on to our last finger, which is the pinky finger. This one's going to be covered in the red glitter, which is the fire truck, is the name of the glitter once again. And then just to let you guys know, I was actually very excited about doing this video, especially a freestyle. I'm not a fan of freestyles only because I struggle with coming up with like designs. I'm not very artistic, and I don't have an imagination like that when it comes to nail designs. Like, I know how to do them. Like, I can look at a picture and recreate it. But when it comes to me doing stuff on my own, like, I don't know, I just can't do it. I struggle with that. I'm not an artistic person like that. So I do have to always look for inspiration. But this one, I can honestly say that I did this on my own. It's not, you know, nothing major or nothing hard that anyone else can't do, but I'm actually really proud of this one that I did this on my own, you know. So yeah, I'm excited about it. So I just wanted to give a big shout out to all you creative nail artists. Like, you guys are dope. I mean, I've seen so many dope designs and creations. I just be like so amazed. Like, you guys deserve, I don't know, like a nail award or whatever there is out there, but there's some pretty dope artists out there, I must say. All right, guys, so I am done applying all the glitters, and I am absolutely like wow with this set. I mean, it's not, this glitter is just like so sparkly, so shiny. I think this is the sparkliest set I've done, and I love it. Like, look at that holographic, look at this shine. And I was going back and forth if I should add rhinestones or not, but I think I'm gonna, so stick around. So before I move on to applying the rhinestones, I am going to cap all of the nails with the clear powder. For me, a secret. And as always with the clear powder, you are going to create your thickness and your apex. All right, so I am done capping all the nails. This is what the set is looking like so far. It looks kind of dull right now. You can't see that shine, but you will in a second. So right now what I'm gonna do is just file and shape off camera, and I'll be right back. All right, I am back and my nails are shaped and filed, and the grit that I use to shape my nails is a 80 grit, and the files that I use are from Pro Sticks. I did show them, I believe, in my last video, and I did mention that the handle is kind of flimsy, but that doesn't really bother me. But if you are interested, I will leave the link in the description box below. And so now we are moving on to applying the rhinestones. And as always, I am using the same glue that I use all the time to glue on my rhinestones. This glue, you do have to cure it. So once you apply your rhinestones, you do still have a chance to move your stones around and place them wherever you like them to be. And so I am going to apply stones to all the nails. I am going to use several of them here, as you can see, or may not be able to see. But so what I'm going to do is I grab my glue with the dotting tool, and then I just place a generous amount all over the nail. Before I do cure the glue though, I do make sure that I feather out the glue just so it won't leave any like harsh lines once you apply your top coat. So yeah, I'm going to be doing this to all the nails. Alright guys, so I'm just about done placing the stones, and we're about to see what they're looking like so far. And I absolutely love them. I love the stones. I probably could have even left them matte and just left the stones shiny, but I love them. So now we're going to move on to applying the top coat, and as always I use the Koopa gel top coat. And I'm going to be applying this to, of course, all 4 nails, and then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And I'm going to make sure that I try not to go over the stones with the top coat. And then as you can see here, this is my favorite part, especially when it comes to like glitter nails, because once you apply that top coat and you see that shine, it's just so pretty. And as always, once you're done applying your top coat, make sure to swipe down the side walls just so you can maintain your shape, and then pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds. Alright guys, so this is the final results. I hope you guys love the nails as much as I do. They're so shiny, they're so sparkly, and they are very patriotic nails. And I just want to give a big shout out to Karla. Thank you for collaborating with me. That means a lot to me, and I had fun doing this set. I hope you enjoy it too. Again, you guys don't forget to follow Karla. Go ahead and subscribe to her channel. She has amazing designs. And if you like this video, if you like this nail design, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.